In this tutorial video, we are going to see circular pocketing cycle. The previous video, we have seen this rectangle. So select circular pocket. So again, you have two options. You have a complete and a simple. So this video, we are going to see the simple option. So the rest of the parameters will be similar to a rectangle pocket. Retraction plane, then cutting strategy, upcut or downcut. So it will be similar to rectangular pocket cycle. Retraction plane also same. And then feed rate. This feed rate is for milling in XY direction. And then machining strategy also will be same. You have a 4 strategy: roughing, finishing, and then wall finishing and chamfer. So you have option center and a helical. It will be center means it will be a directly plunging. The helical means the tool will plunge in a helical manner and then helical direction. So now x, y, z, 0. So 3 parameters used for position of the pocket. So it will be a center. So we are keeping x0, y0 and then 0. And then this is diameter. So you need to enter the diameter of the pocket to be milled. Z1 will be a total depth of the pocket. Say for example, so you can enter incremental or absolute also. So 5 millimeter. So we are going to cut 5 millimeters from the previous rectangle pocket. So in the absolute mode, we are entering -10. So then Z0 we need to change to -5 because 5 millimeter already completed. So from the 5 millimeter, we're going to do -10. So DXY is the cutter shift percentage. So you can input is a cutter diameter or a cutter percentage also. 60% is the cutter diameter. DZ is the depth of cut 1 millimeter. UXY and UZ is the finishing allowance for a finishing strategy. So insertion is the same pre-drill and then vertical helical also there. So it depends on the application you can select. So we are using a vertical. So you need to enter the plunging feed rate here. Say for example 250. So once you input all the parameters, press accept. So it will create the pocketing cycle. Pocket 4 is the circular pocketing cycle. And then after a roughing cycle, you need to create a finishing cycle same way. So you need to select 3 triangles for a finishing cycle. And then I want to mill the finishing allowance in the wall. So you need to select wall. So now, so after that, you have to select accept. So now roughing, finishing, and then wall finishing is completed. Let's check the simulation. Press simulation. So first, in the previous example, it will machine the rectangular pocketing. So it start from top surface and then circular pocket start from -5 millimeter and then it will mill up to -10 mm depth of total depth. So the simulation you can see now the roughing, finishing and roughing of the rectangular pocketing is going on. Then after that, the circular pocket it will execute now. So the tool come to the center position and then it will plunge vertical strategy and then follow it will machine up to diameter of the pocket. So you can see now the top view also you can see this cycle. So now can we adjust we can adjust the radius of the diameter of the pocket, circular pocket. So it looks small, so it looks less. So again you go to edit and then go to cycle parameters. So pocket is rectangle, so we need to modify in right as pocket 4. So go to the diameter column, so we will increase 50 mm, then accept. So we need to change our remaining cycle also. In the finishing also we need to modify 50, and then here also the wall chamfer also 50. So now diameter is changed in the all the 3 cycle. Let's check the simulation again. So again the rectangle pocket and then circular pocket. So this method you can create any pocket, rectangular pocket or circular pocket very easily. So rectangle will be a length and width you need to mention, then corner radius, and then circular you need to mention the diameter of the pocket, and then you need to mention the XY location, and then pocket starting, and the rest of the parameter, most of the parameters will be common to rectangular pocket and circular pocket. So in the next video, we will see the pocket parameters using a complete option. Thank you for watching.